Let me out, Daddy.
Oh, you're gonna have to wait till I stop.
He's flying. A lot punier than I thought it would be. A lot punier than I thought it would be.
It was a stacker.
But that one was a DC to an AC engine.
I saw that. DC to AC engine, wasn't it?
One of these NSs are yellow. And it was
DC to AC.
Wasn't that cool?
Yeah.
276 mile marker.
Turn around.
Yes. Would you call this your North and Central Ohio Rail Fans group?
Yes. This would be northeastern or north central. I'm more like north central Ohio.
North and Central?
Yeah.
A left turtle blinker. I saw those Daners were down, so we turned here, Daddy.
Okay. We're in the big town of Martin.
We are?
Yep. Big town of Martin, folks.
And Turtle Creek.
Turtle Creek? Or there better not be any more Turtle Creeks. I got news for you. We don't like crossing Bean Creek and Turtle Creek.
Martin Wilson now? What?
Martin Williston.
Oh, duh.
Martin Williston Road.
We go straight.
Yeah.
It's an all-way, duh.
And that was spotted by John Wells in the 1800s.
Window up, please.
This is an old town, Caleb.
Yes. I'm getting this whole town on video.
This town was 1860 something when they first got here. And they chopped trees down, built houses.
Look, it's
Before the railroad was even here.
It says our railroad crossing where?
I know, I don't see it. So,
Curve.
oh. Well, that's
Duh.
not a curve, that's a turn.
Duh.
Duh.
Red and red. Nothing yet for the
Okay.
other train going the other way. Did you see anything?
Nope. Turn around.
No. It was red for the other track, wasn't it? Yeah. Did you see it down there?
I didn't see it, no. If I saw it, I would have told you. Oh boy, Martin's not a big town though, is it? You blink, you'll miss it.
Yeah, duh. Was he moving out?
Yeah, I would say so.